Alright, bike check today. Start off new bike. It's 2014 Stollen frame, 21-inch top tube. I love it. It's a good bike. I love this frame. Stock Stollen seat to a snafu seat post, Stollen seat clamp. Up here on the high towers, we got neon yellow Colt bands, best grips. I love them. Up here, the high towers, we got 9-inch by 28-inch wide Kink Grizzly bars. I love these. They're durable, and I love them. We got a custom painted Sunday Freeze stem, front load, charcoal gray with white, with black splatter. I love it. Came out sick. Come down here, silver Stollen Self Works, kind of heavy, and I like them. Alex front wheel, sealed hubs, double wall rim, Verde AV front tire, 2.1, 60 psi. Get a low cushion landing. We got Crackle twisted PC pedals, Primo cranks. I love these cranks. 32 Stollen sprocket. I like it. 30 to 11. It's similar to 28.9, but it's a little bit easier to pedal and a little bit harder than 25.9. And then Primo Euro bottom bracket. Don't run Euro. Euro sucks. Verde AV back tire, 2.1, 60 psi. And then the back wheel's the Alex wheel, sealed hubs, double wall rim, same as the front. KMC interlock chain with, that's pretty much my bike. It's dialed, weighs in about 24 pounds, so I can't complain on weight. She does what she does. And here's hub sign. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Edit dropping soon. That's it.